How to publish a draft Kahoot. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can publish a draft Kahoot. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you will need to open up your Kahoot. So for that, simply open up a web browser and search for Kahoot. Then open up the website and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So let me just log in. Tap on the login button and then log in using your account. It should be really easy. And there we go. Now to search for your drafts, what you'll need to do is on the left hand side, you'll find library. Tap on library. And after you tap on library, here you will find an option called drafts. What you'll have to do is select drafts and there you'll find Kahoot. Now all you have to do is tap on Kahoot. Now here you will see your Kahoot. Now you can edit your Kahoot. You can make all the changes that you want before you publish your Kahoot quiz or anything. And after you're done and satisfied with the Kahoot, tap on the save button that is on the top right. After you tap on save, give your Kahoot a title. And you can even type in a description. Then tap on continue. And after you tap on continue, you will see different options. For now, tap on done. And after you tap on done, here you will find your Kahoot on your folders. Now you can tap on host live to start your Kahoot. And that's basically how you publish your Kahoot, guys. Thanks for watching. That's basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.